Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To keep track of your future responsibilities, you can create an entry into the Calendar app. To quickly create a new item, click the New icon directly above the search bar on the left side of the screen. Using this method, you will set the date and time for the item. Alternatively, you can click a date on the calendar navigation and then double-click the area in the main page to open the creation pane. Using this method, the start date is chosen. If you want to select a specific hour or time, choose day and click the day on the calendar. Double-click the hour in the day to which you want to add an item to open the creation menu. Enter a title for the item in the event line. If you know the location of the appointment or meeting, enter it into the location line. When adding a location, you can click Search Bing link that appears to try and match the location to a map point. We'll type in a random address, click Search Bing, and a map search will appear. You can allow or block to share your location. I'm just going to close that for now. And then all possible matches for 1690 Water Tower appear. Lansing, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio. If any of these match, you can click the result to add it to your list and then click OK. Click Cancel. In the Calendar app, a meeting is an appointment other people are invited to. If you are inviting people in your organization to a meeting in your office building and your Office 365 administrator has set up rooms to be available, you can click Add Room, and if there are any rooms in the list, you could choose from that list, and then the location and room will be added. The attendees line is where you will add anyone you are inviting to the meeting. You can type names and email addresses, and matches in your contact list will be listed. Alternatively, you can click the plus sign at the end of the line to open your full contact list, and then add people by clicking the plus sign next to their name. Click OK when you've added your attendees, or click Cancel to return to the previous page. Choose a start date for your event. Setting a duration will open up times. If it's less than all day, say 90 minutes, a start time will appear, and you'll select the start time there. Say 10 a.m. Set how the calendar shows your schedule when the meeting is going on. You can choose free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, or away. Choose busy. Set how long the reminder reminds you of your upcoming event. The default is 15 minutes, and you can choose from none to 2 weeks. If you have multiple calendars, choose the calendar to use from the drop-down list. If you have a single calendar, this will not be an option that's choosable. If you have a recurring event, choose a recurrent schedule from the repeat list. The default for repeat is never. If you have a private event, checking the Mark as Private checkbox will not display any details on shared calendars. If your organization uses Skype for Business, you can set up an online meeting by clicking the online meeting icon. Skype for Business replaces Lync in the Windows Office family of products. Finally, you can enter any text for your item into the provided field. This will tell any attendees the purpose of the meeting, or it can simply be notes for yourself. If you set up an online meeting, a Request Responses checkbox will appear. By default, it will be checked. When checked, you will receive a notice in regards to who accepted or declined to attend the meeting. You can attach files or links to the calendar item by clicking the more dots at the top of the screen. Click Attach to open the file attachment pane as you would in an email. The Categorize option is also found under the more dots and will allow you to assign a category to your calendar item while creating it. Simply click the category that fits your needs. If you are inviting coworkers to a meeting, click the Scheduling Assistant button to check and see if the invited attendees are available. If your company supports it, the Scheduling Assistant will be able to reserve a conference room. Using the Scheduling Assistant will be covered in a later lesson. When you have completed your calendar item, click Save to save an appointment or an event, or click Send to send the item to anyone contained in your attendees list. You can cancel the calendar item before it is saved or sent by clicking Discard.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.